Are you tired of V8 owners picking on your 2011 to 2014 V6 Mustang? Are you ready to put the gap on the competition? If that's the case, then Nitrous Express has exactly what you need. This is Nitrous Express's V6 Ford Plate System for 2011 to 2014 V6 Mustangs with a 3.7 liter engine. This system is extremely easy to install and comes with only the highest quality parts. Included in this system is a billet aluminum plate that bolts between the throttle body and intake, making installation quick and easy. The carbon fiber top solenoids have even been integrated directly into the plate to reduce installation time while giving your engine bay a super clean look. A direct plug-in fuel line adapter so that there is no need to cut your factory fuel lines, braided stainless line, jetting for 35 to 150 rear wheel horsepower, a TPS wide open throttle switch so that the nitrous only activates at wide open throttle and automatically turns off when you let your foot off the accelerator, as well as every nut, bolt, and electrical connector needed to complete the installation. Our nitrous systems are engineered to optimize nitrous flow, helping you make more power while using less nitrous. From our spraybarless plates to our industry-exclusive billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. This valve not only looks great, but is packed with features, including 2 integrated gauge ports, a 5/8 siphon tube, a large half-inch orifice, and an improved flow path with only one 45-degree turn. The Lightning bottle valve looks great, flows great, and weighs nearly 1 full pound less than the old-style brass valves. If you purchase your system with the bottle, we include this awesome Lightning 500 bottle valve. So if you're ready to unleash the full potential of your V6 Mustang, this is exactly what you need. For more information, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.